husband Dan. I fell in love with him because he's an artist.
I am working on a portrait of a fellow that fell asleep on a train.
He's just not, typical. I mean, he likes to do some unmanly things. I mean, he paints pretty pictures.
Hey fam, it's Linda Word. So I am coming on to show you my install with the Bold Hold Active. So I've used Bold Hold before, but I've never tried the Active. And I watched a video on Erica J, and she showed how she puts on her Bold Hold and how you should put it on. In her video she says about 1 inch. I normally just do a thin line when I put my glue on. So on this application I tried to do 1 inch. I just couldn't do it. It was maybe ½ an inch. But anyway, I tried. But she said if you put it on for 1 inch, then that will give you a longer wear. So the first time I tried to use a Bold Hold, I was in a rush and I just immediately put it on. I think I did maybe 2 layers and it lasted me 2 days. My wig started lifting. And so I went ahead and took the wig completely off, cleaned around the perimeter, and I'm reinstalling it. I didn't wash the wig because it wasn't dirty. I only had it on for 2 days. So yeah, so I reinstalled it and I'm gonna see how long it lasts. Today is Thursday, so yeah, hopefully I can get a good wear out of this hold. Anyway, I will be coming back and letting you know how it went. Bye bye.
Working late, smelling fresh like that. Boy, I'm so tired of this. It gotta be your stuff. Must be your stuff, cause it can't be nothing else. Oh, never me. Now you trying to butter me up. Ooh, let me see. Ooh, I like it. I cook. Okay, I'll fix it up.
I'm wishing on a star to follow where you are. I'm wishing on a dream to follow what it means. I'm wishing on a star. wish on all the rainbows that I've seen. I wish on all the people who really dream. And I'm wishing on tomorrow playing in the come. And I'm wishing on all the love that we've ever done. I never thought I'd see a time when you would be so far away from home, so far away from me. Just think of all the moments that we spent. I just can't let you go for me. You were meant, and I didn't mean to hurt you, but I know that in the game of love you reap what you sow. I feel it's time we should make up, baby. I feel it's time for us to get back together and make the best of things, oh baby, when we're together. Whether or never, I feel it's time we should make up, baby. I feel it's time for us to get back together and make the best of things, oh baby, when we're together. Whether or never, I'm wishing on a star to follow where you are. I'm wishing on a dream to follow what it means. And I wish on all